Greetings all. This is the Interpret the Graph slide information. So if you don't have your slideshow open for your math component, please get that open. Please find the slide that looks like this. It says Interpret the Graph in the purple title. It has a table right here. Go ahead and get that open. Also, need Desmos open. In the salary graph, I did say you need to make a copy of this because we need to use it for the cost of living as well. So hopefully you've got that salary graph saved. If you did not make a copy, then you can click on your salary graph, open the graph. Up here under the salary graph, click on that drop down triangle and then click duplicate. And then you can rename your salary graph. So this one's also going to show cost of living. So we're comparing salary to cost of living. You will also want to have access to this slide once again with the formulas for your career and for cost of living. So go ahead and make sure you've got those pieces open and ready to go. If you need to, pause the video. That's the beauty of having a video. All right, okay. So now that we have a graph, hello, words are sometimes they're hard. We are going to add the graph for the cost of living in Colorado, just to see the comparison of what we might earn in our careers compared to the cost of living in the state of Colorado. Hint, not the cheapest place to live, but it is beautiful here, so there we go. All right. Let's see. So we're just going to go ahead and continue on with this table. And down here, you're going to go ahead and put in the equation for cost of living. So over here, you're going to be using that second equation for cost of living, and you're going to type it in just like it is on your slide. So second one. And you can see that it's already starting to add pieces to your graph. Don't forget, if you want that exponent piece, which we do, you're going to press Shift 6, which puts that caret in and gives us that upraised exponential, and then you're going to put an X on there. Okay. Since this is something I'm going to go ahead and click on the settings, because now I can change the color for this line, and I'm just going to make it purple. There we go, and then click done. So if you click the little cog and wheel up here, the edit list, that will give you some different colors that you can put on your graph as well. Okay, and again, you can zoom in and out just to kind of see how your salary matches up with the cost of living. You can see my salary as a flight attendant. Yeah, not really keeping up with the cost of living in Colorado, so I'm going to need a roommate. Okay, for this, we also want to do the same thing that we did with our salary, in that we have the 0 one. We're going to go ahead and do the 10 and the 20. You can do the 2 for cost of living if you want to. You don't have to. So let's go ahead and put the 10 on here. So again, I'm going to go to my graph. I'm going to go to 10 years, follow it up to my cost of living graph, and then make adjustments. There's my 10. Once again, if you need to pause the video so that you can take a picture with your phone or grab a screenshot so that you can get these numbers, you want to go ahead and get those numbers, and then we're going to put them in as a coordinate pair. Okay. Okay, now. There we go. And I want to label this Okay, so now I have the cost of living after 10 years and doing the same thing with the 20. Coming over here to the 20, going to my line and adjusting. There it is. Double checking. And label. Again, if you want to adjust the colors for your points, you can totally do that. There's not a ton of color choice, but you know, we can have some fun. There we go. Once you have those 2 points on your graph, save it again. And then we need to click on that share your graph button in the upper right next to your name. Again, we want to export the image, download the ping. Once you've done that, head back over to your slideshow and click on Insert in the menu up there, fourth one in between View and Format. Click on Image, Upload from Computer, and then there is my second graph. Right? And there it is, beauty. The last piece that you want to do in this slide, a couple of things. First of all, you can also link your graph right here on that Desmos link. So if you go back over to Desmos and you click on share, you can see that there's a link up there. You can just click on that copy button and then come down here and link the two together. And that way, you know, somebody has access to that graph as well. The final thing that you want to do is fill in the table for your salary and cost of living at 0, 10, and 20 years. So like my starting salary for being a flight attendant, $32,500. The cost of living starting was $39,978. Oops, comma. There. And then you can put in the amounts for the 10 years of your salary, the 10 years of cost of living, 20 years of salary, 20 years of cost of living. That information is right here on your graph, right there on your graph. So you can just, maybe you can just copy paste, who knows, or since it's right there, you can just type it. And that is how you work that slide.